Hello Vivites, a very good morning to everybody. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda. I am leading the product development portfolio of Indus Viva Health Sciences, Bangalore. And today I am going to explain you all about a very innovative, first of its kind product of Indus Viva, the Eye Glow. I think everybody of you might be using the Eye Glow as of now, but I will be telling you about some of the subtle features of the product which will help you promote the product as well as use the product in a proper way so that all the benefits are obtained. Well, to start with, what is the importance of skin? Everybody has skin, right? Skin is the largest organ of the human body. So whenever you consider the anatomy of the skin, skin is basically composed of different layers, which includes the epidermis, dermis, hypodermis, and it also includes the appendages, especially the hairs as well as the nails. Epidermis is the outer layer of the skin. Whatever you see on the outermost surface of the skin is called as epidermis. Dermis is actually called as the thicker connective tissue layer which is present inside the epidermis, and hypodermis is nothing but the subcutaneous layer of the skin which is just underneath the skin. This hypodermis is a layer where the fat is usually deposited, which will help you withstand the cold as well as heat. Well, as a part of the human body, skin always has various functions. The first and the foremost function of the skin includes protection. All of our bodies are protected only because of the presence of skin. Mainly it is called as the physical barrier because we are always exposed to sunlight which contains ultraviolet radiations as well as bacteria as well as the viruses which are prevailing in the world today. So the skin is actually acting as a barrier against all these infestations. Along with that, it also acts as a mechanical barrier. For example, everybody sweats, everybody has a saliva, everybody has tears as well. These are also some of the protective substances which are present in the human body, which are eliminated through the skin. Not only this, the skin is also responsible for regulating the body temperature. This is very important because there are processes called as vasoconstriction as well as vasodilatation which are present inside the skin which are responsible for regulating the body temperature. Along with this, as everybody knows, skin is one amongst the sense organs. It is responsible for the feeling of touch. Not only the touch, the temperature, the pain, pressure, everything happens through the skin. And apart from this, excretion is also another important function of the skin. For example, sweat. People normally sweat. Sweat is not only something which is very bad or foul smelling or whatever it is, but sweat is a thing which will excrete all the unwanted toxins out of the body. Not only this, the uric acid as well as ammonia is also eliminated from the skin surface. Apart from this, the skin also serves as a blood reservoir. For example, 8 to 10% of total blood flow in a body especially carries through the skin. For example, the skin contains small or tiny vessels called as capillaries. See, this is a part that we are actually concentrating on. Capillaries are very small skin structures which are circulating the blood beneath the skin, and whenever that blood which is circulating within the capillaries gets purified, automatically the skin health is maintained. This is what is exactly our principle behind the formulation of Eye Glow. So apart from this, the skin is also important for synthesis of the vitamin D, which is a very important the talk subject today. Apart from this, the next important thing that I want to concentrate today is the concept of nutri-cosmetics. Well, everybody have been using cosmetics in their daily life, right? So, but these cosmetics have their own limitations. Even though the cosmetics are coined as synthetic, herbal, hybrid, whatever it is, all the cosmetics do have harmful chemicals which are very harmful to the skin and in turn to the human body as well, because skin is a structure in the body which can absorb all the toxins from the outside atmosphere also, by which the skin can definitely be harmed as well as the internal human body can also be affected. The global nutraceutical market is valued at $3,853.4 million US back in 2018 and is poised to reach $8,571.5 million US by 2027 with a compound annual growth rate of 5%. in between 2019 and 2027. See, the largest nutri-cosmetic market in the whole world is Europe, but the second largest is considered to be Southeast Asia as well as the other Asian countries. India is also becoming the hub of nutri-cosmetics today, and the most important thing is people have started to use the natural products or the herbal extract derived molecules as a part of nutri-cosmetic market in India today. Friends, I know you are all curious to listen about iGlow. As you all know, Indus Viva's iGlow is first of its kind nutri-cosmetic product in India, which conditions your beauty from inside and gives you a healthy glowing skin from outside. Isn't that really interesting? Certainly yes. Well, iGlow is a formulation which detoxifies your liver, it purifies your gut, it purifies your blood, and in turn it provides you a healthy, younger looking and glowing skin. This is a very interesting product, my friends. And coming back to the ingredients of iGlow, if I have to speak about this, the first and the foremost, the prime ingredient of iGlow is nothing but your saffron, or in other words we call it as kesar. Well, everybody knows what kesar is, everybody knows what saffron is, but you might not be knowing that saffron is also considered as one of the most costliest spice on this planet, and Indus Viva is sourcing the saffron from the precious Kashmir Valley. Whenever you see the geography of saffron, saffron is a widely cultivated plant from Kashmir, Pakistan, Afghanistan till Turkey. The cultivation happens, but whatever the saffron which is available in the Kashmir Valley is considered to be the most expensive one, and the quality wise, if you see, it is having 100% quality and the most efficacious and the safe saffron which is available on this planet. Saffron is not new to Indians. In fact, saffron has been referenced in the traditional books of Ayurveda dating back to 5000 years. Saffron is a very good antibacterial and an anti-inflammatory molecule as well. For example, nowadays our skin is exposed to lots of viruses and bacteria as well as pollution. How do you protect your skin? Definitely saffron will help you protect your skin because it has very good antibacterial activity, as well as it will also prevent all kinds of skin infections owing to its anti-inflammatory properties.